Hey, once my fros, it's me, GINAMARIE, and in this video, I'm here with another wash and go video. You guys know I don't do wash and goes often. I actually have not done a wash and go since I posted my last wash and go video. But as I stated in that video, I do want to get into doing wash and goes more often just because I don't do them a lot. And so in this wash and go video, I'm going to be trying a different combination. I'm going to be using the Obia Naturals line, and I'm going to be using their curl enhancing cluster, which is pretty much be the main focus. But I've noticed my hair does better if I put a leave-in first and then go in with a curl defining cream. So I'm going to use their leave-in, which is their curl moisture cream. And I'm going to be using this as well as the Eco Styler gel to define my curls. So this is what I'm going to be doing. Let's not have my hair sit in this towel for so long. I have my handy dandy water bottle just because my hair does better soaking wet and because I'm not in the shower. As much as I love doing my wash and goes in the shower, it's just not convenient, especially since I stay in an apartment. If I drop gel, my plumbing just gets stopped up and stuff. So I'm going to go in with the curl moisture cream as my leave-in. And now I'm going to go in with the curl enhancing cluster. I don't know how much of this stuff I should use. When I apply this stuff, I really do not need to go in with Eco Styler gel. This is the first product that I've never have to go in with Eco Styler gel. Now, the only reason why I would just is because my roots are so puffy that I know it wouldn't last long. And with the Eco Styler gel, it will give it that hold to make it last longer. But I don't need. So this is my hair right now after applying those products. I really don't even have a lot of white stuff in my hair like normal. So that's always a plus. So what I'm going to do, because my hair is still very soaking wet right now, I'm going to sit under the hooded dryer for about like 2.5 hours, just so that my hair is dry enough where I can go to sleep in it. And then we will go from there. So I will probably more than likely come back tomorrow afternoon and show you guys what my hair looks like. But as you guys can see right now, I'm getting some hang time. My hair is getting longer. It's getting longer. Getting longer. Okay, so as I stated in the last clip, I was going to come back later on and show you guys what my hair looks like completely dried. This is a day 3 wash and go, and as you guys can see, I still have a lot of curl definition, and I could definitely get this wash and go to last a lot longer, but I will be washing my hair just because I want to film a washing style for you guys. But I could definitely get about 2 or 3 more days out of this before I feel as though my hair is too dry and I need to wash. But as I stated in the previous clip, what I used was the curl moisture cream and the curl enhancing smoothie from Obia Naturals. If you guys want to save 15%, I do have a coupon code and it will be down in the description box. But the main star of this product would definitely be the curl enhancing cluster. Don't know if I stated this in the earlier clips because I didn't want to just literally sit here and do my whole head, but I did get on Instagram stories and I was sharing with you guys how using this curl enhancing cluster, I really didn't need Eco Styler Gel. This might have been the first product that I've ever used that my curls actually became defined without product. So besides the roots of my hair being puffy, pretty much the ends of my hair were super defined, to the point where you kind of, towards the ends of my hair, you couldn't even really tell the difference between the parts that I put the Eco Styler Gel on and parts that I did not. So I definitely think I am going to try this just randomly one day without Eco Styler Gel, because I kind of want to see how long it lasts, and once my hair dries I want to see what it looks like. But I'm very, very impressed. I'm so mad at myself for not trying this product of the Obia Naturals sooner. But yeah, so that is my wash and go. As you guys know, I don't really do a lot of wash and goes, but with the summer I do want to try to incorporate doing a wash and go maybe once or twice a month or something like that. So if there's any combinations that you guys think I should try, let me know in the comments down below. If you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscription button. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.